How to enable dark mode in Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you enable dark mode in Snapchat. To enable dark mode in Snapchat, you need to follow these steps. Open up your Snapchat application and log into your account. And what here you need to do is click on the Bitmoji icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. And what here you need to do is click the gear icon. As you go to the gear icon section, you then need to go ahead and look for app appearance. So select that, and when you click on app appearance section, you could go ahead and click on the apply theme button first of all. So once again, you want to go ahead and select that, and you want to tap on the three dot icon, and here you should be able to find this dark mode section, right? So you just have to go ahead and click on this section. Otherwise, if you cannot find it, then you could use devices inbuilt feature. Let us swipe down, go to the dark theme section, and here you go, you have a dark theme. Do the same thing for a light theme, and this way you'll be able to enable dark mode in Snapchat. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.